And welcome to tutorial number 3 for Learning Express. This tutorial is on My Center. It is kind of the personalized way to keep track of what you're doing. If you do not have a Learning Express account, if you've not gone through that process, there is a tutorial on that, and that is available wherever you found this tutorial, I'm sure. And then there's also another tutorial on the centers that are more the kind of collections of tutorials and different things. So those are available wherever you found this tutorial. But provided you have an account and you're familiar with the centers, let's move on to My Center. So My Center is essentially the personalized Learning Express pathway for you. So you've got tests and tutorials and ebooks, computer courses, articles, flashcards, and then below that you have different dashboards. And these are ways for you, like I said, to keep track of what you're doing. And these are good for people with who are working on maybe improving their career, doing resumes, that kind of thing. Then there's also dashboards for kids who are looking at colleges and what they want to do, which college they want to go to, and what kind of scholarships they can get. So those are all available. I also wanted to point out that there are a good number of video guides available on how to do stuff, including how to use My Center, which goes into a lot more detail than I'm going to today, because all of my tutorials I advertise as 5 minutes or less, and I do keep an eye on the clock. But there are lots of different full-length videos that give you some guidance on how to use this. So back to the My Center. If you'd like to try something, you don't want to go through centers, you can just click on tutorials. And that's going to give you a list of all the tutorials that are available in the different centers. So we've chosen the Job and Career Accelerator here. So we're going to go into Tools to Get Hired. There are lots of tutorials. There are 3 ebooks, 2 career tools, and a tutorial. There also is a Learn More guidance link. I would like to point out where that arrow is pointing, and that's going to give you some paths, some more specific information. So whether you are just a entry-level job seeker, or someone who's maybe older and looking to change careers, maybe a experienced job seeker, these are all paths that you can use to get information on how to improve your chances at getting a new job. So we clicked on entry-level job seekers there, and here are a whole bunch of bits of information, resources, various kinds of things that you can use. Skills matchers and interest matchers are good for tools, are good for finding a career for you. They've got expert advice, all kinds of good stuff that you can do and get information on how to find the career that's right for you. So that is all the different ways you can kind of drill down into things using your My Center.